Science Lesson 5. Welcome everybody. We're so glad you could join us for this lesson. Can everybody say hello? Hello! Great. So we'll get started as usual with meditation. Yeah, so show me your 2 fingers. Make sure you're sitting comfortably. We use these to find our heart center, right? We're looking for our pulse. Boom, boom. Okay. We lay our other hand open on our laps or on our desks. Take a deep breath. Close our eyes. We'll meditate together for a minute or 2. Once we're able to feel it in our heart center, we can lay our other hand in our lap. Remember to keep the feeling in your heart center. Keep the feeling in our heart center. Hopefully the palms of our hands will start to tingle a little bit. Feel it in our heart center. Feel the energy. Okay, great job everybody. We can slowly open our eyes, come out of our meditation with 3 deep breaths, nice and slow. 1, 2, and 3. When we're finished, please stand up. What do we do first? What do we do first? Stretch up. First we stretch up high. Oh, wake up. And shake it out. Shake it out. Shake it out. I mean, really shake it out. And then down to our toes. Stretch, stretch, stretch. And shake it out. Good job. How many times do we spin around? 3 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa. And how many times do we jump? 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Great job. Everybody please have a seat. We'll begin class. So today in science, we're talking again about living and non-living things. Very good. We're going to talk again about living and non-living things. Living. What about teacher Shelby? Living or non-living? Living. Very good. What about my chair? My chair. Living or non-living? Non-living. Very good. Non-living. Very good. Non-living. Do we remember last time how we used shapes for living and non-living? That's right. X. We used an X for non-living. And what did we call this? It looks just like an O, but we call it a circle. Circle. Show me your circle. Everyone show me a circle. Right? It could be like this, or like this, or like this. Yeah. Show me an X. Show me an X. Yeah. Non-living. We can do like this. Yep. Or like this. Or like this even. Yeah. X. Very good. Okay, so we are going to talk about living and non-living things in the, that's good. But let's just look at this first. This is a kitchen. Kitchen. Look here at this image. Kitchen. Great. Let me hear everybody say kitchen. Kitchen. Good. Kitchen. This is a kitchen. The whole room is a kitchen. 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 Very good. Kitchen. Most of us, I think, have a kitchen somewhere where we like to cook. That's what we do in the kitchen. We cook. Yeah, we cook food, right? Yes. That's what we do in the kitchen. Yeah. So who can go to the kitchen? I go to the kitchen. Yeah. I cook in the kitchen.
Yes.
What about?
Wow.
Yeah, it's pretty good, huh? Okay, let's say that this is mother.
Mother.
Does mother go to the kitchen?
Mother.
Yeah, mother does. Usually. If she wants. Yeah, I go to the kitchen too. Let's say that this is father. Does father go to the kitchen? Yeah, he does too. They both cook, right? They both cook. That's what we do. We cook in the kitchen. Do you go to the kitchen? Do you help? Cook? I think you probably do. Do you guys go to your kitchen? Yeah. It's good to help. Maybe we could help cook, or we help do dishes, right? Clean dishes, wash. Yeah, we can all go to the kitchen. Okay, so today we're going to talk about some things that we would see in different kitchens. And we'll decide if they're living or non-living. Yeah. So before we go through the PowerPoint together, you all are going to need something to write on and something to write with. I'll pass that out to my class right now. Similar to last lesson, what we'll do is go through and I want you guys to draw the image with me, and then we'll decide together if it's living or non-living. Okay? So let me pass these out. Oh, it's still dirty. Oh man. Who was purple? What the? Pink? Who was pink? Echo. Okay, great. So now that we've all got something to write with and something to write on, join us and let's review the PowerPoint. So what was this? Do we recognize that? Kitchen. 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 Let's look at some things we might find in the kitchen. Yeah, who remembers the word? What was it? Pot. Yeah. This is a pot. Let me say pot. 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 Just like pot, yeah. So can everybody draw me your own pot? Let's draw a pot together on our paper. Yeah, let's draw a pot. A pot, maybe. Very good, yeah, very good. Maybe it's got a lid or something. Draw me a pot. Yeah, draw a pot. It's not a very good pot, but. Okay, so a pot, is a pot living or non-living? Non-living. A pot's a non-living thing. So what do? Do we circle or X? X. We X because it's a non-living thing. Everybody put a big X on your pot for me. Put an X on your pot. Very good. Great job. We put an X because a pot is a non-living thing that we find in the kitchen. Great job, everybody. Let's move on. Who's this? Who is this? This could be Mother. Yeah. Today we're going to use this image for Mother. Does anybody remember the nickname for Mother? Mom. Mom. Let me hear you say Mom. Mom. Mom's a nickname for Mother. Yeah, they're the same. So everybody draw Mother for me. Or Mom. Draw Mom here in the kitchen. Happy. Draw me Mom on your own paper. So is Mother or Mom living or non-living?
Living.
What was that?
Living.
Living, that's right. Mother is living. Our mother is a living thing. So do we circle or X?
Circle.
Circle, that's right. We circle Mother. Very good. Because she's a living thing. So once you've got her drawn, show me how you circle. Very good. Very good. Great job. There's the circle, because Mom is a living thing.
ขนมปัง
Yes, but in English, we call it bread.
bread
Bread.
bread
There it is. Don't forget the B. Bread.
bread
Bread.
bread
Bread.
bread
So can everyone draw me a loaf of bread? Or you could even just draw a slice. I think I'll just draw a slice of bread, maybe. Pretend that's bread. Bread.
bread
We can find bread in the kitchen. Very good. Everybody draw me a slice of bread on your own paper. Very good. Very good.
teacher
Excellent. Excellent work.
teacher
Good.
teacher
Good. So is bread living or non-living?
non-living
Non-living. Bread is non-living. How do we know it's non-living? Does this bread, does it eat the bread?
Yes. No.
We eat the bread,
Yes.
yes, but the bread does not eat.
Living.
Does this
Living.
does this bread grow bigger and bigger? That's right, it's non-living. We eat the bread, but the bread does not eat. The bread is non-living. So do we mark bread with a circle or an X? X, very good. So everybody put an X on your piece of bread for me. X. Bread is a non-living thing, so we mark it with an X. X, very good. Great job. We ready for the next one? Yep, you guys know that word. That's right. Dog. 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 Sometimes we can have dogs in the kitchen, maybe when they're not supposed to be. Everyone draw a dog for me. Come on, let's draw a dog together. It doesn't have to be this dog. I'm just gonna draw a dog. Very good. Pretend that's a dog. Dog. That's a really good dog. Very good. Very good. So is a dog a living or a non-living thing? Living. That's right. How do we know? Does a dog breathe?
Yes.
I hope so, yes. It does. And he eats too, right?
Yes.
Living. So do we circle or X? Circle. That's right. We circle because it's a living thing. Everybody draw a circle around your dog for me. So we mark it with a circle because it's living. Yeah. It's a living thing. Very good, everybody. Ready for the next one? What about this? Do we recognize this image? Can everybody say spoon? Spoon. Spoon. This is a spoon. Spoon. Let's draw a spoon together. Spoon's kind of hard to draw. Maybe like this. Spoon. Very good. Spoon. Spoon. Very good. Draw me a spoon. A spoon we definitely find in the kitchen. Very good. Show me what you do with a spoon. What do we do with a spoon?
No.
Very good. Show me what you do with a spoon.
No.
I see it. We'll get to it. Just wait. Spoon. Show me how you eat with a spoon. Like this. Yeah, spoon. Spoon in the kitchen. Is the spoon living or non-living?
Non-living.
What is it?
Non-living.
Non-living. The spoon's non-living. So do we do a circle or an X? An X. That's right. We X the spoon because it's a non-living thing. Very good. Very good. I'll put a square around these. Spoon. Spoon. Non-living. Yeah. How do we? The spoon? Does the spoon breathe? Whoa. So we mark the spoon with an X because it's a non-living thing. Great job. Ooh, what about this one? Look at this picture. Can everybody say sink?
Sink.
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 Beautiful. That final K sound. Sink.
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 Good. This is a sink. What do we do at the sink?
Sink.
What do we do at the sink? Wash our hands. We can wash dishes. Yeah, that's what we do at the sink. So everybody, let's draw a sink together. I don't really know how to draw a sink, but let's say this is a sink, right? It's got like a little, yes. Wait a minute. Pretend that's a sink. That's good, that's very good. Great, sink, sink. Very good, sink. Great, great job everybody. Show me your sinks. Show me your drawings. Good job everybody. This sink, does this sink eat? No, that would be silly, right? Sink's a non-living thing. Do we circle or X? What do we do? It's non-living. X, that's right. We exit. Very good, sink. X. We exit because it's a non-living thing. Yay! A sink is a non-living thing. That's beautiful. Good work, everybody. What about this? Coffee. There is coffee in there. What we're drinking the coffee out of is a coffee cup. Coffee cup. Coffee? Cup. There you go. Cup. Coffee cup. This is a coffee cup. So let's draw a coffee cup together. I'll go over here. Coffee cup. I drew some steam because it's hot. Very good. Very good. Coffee cup. Yeah, so is a coffee cup living or non-living?
Non-living.
Is this coffee cup, does it move?
No.
Does this coffee cup, does it eat? So it's what? Living or non-living?
Living. Non-living.
It's non-living. A coffee cup is non-living. So do we mark with a circle or an X? X, that's right. So put an X through your coffee cup for me. Very good. Very good. Yeah, so we mark it with an X. Very good. Are we ready for the next one? I knew you were gonna know this one. Great job. Look at this picture. It's of milk. Good. Milk. Good. That final K sound. Milk. Very good. Milk. So let's draw milk together. Let's draw a carton of milk. Yes, but in English, milk. Milk. That works. Milk.
Milk. Milk. Milk.
Milk.
Milk.
Very good.
Milk.
Who likes milk? I like milk. Do you like milk? Yeah? Milk. Do you guys like milk? I know I do. Yeah. Very good. That's good. So is milk living or non-living? Non-living. That's right. We drink milk. So do we mark with a circle or an X? An X. Very good. We mark it with an X for non-living. Great job. So everybody put a big X on your milk for me. Milk. We mark milk with an X because it's a non-living thing. Non-living. Are we ready for the next one? Can everybody say glass? Glass. Remember our snake sounds? Yep, that's the sound here. Glass. 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 This is a glass. Very good. So let's draw a glass together. I'm going to put some water in my glass. Very good. Glass. We definitely find a glass in our kitchen. We would, yes. Very good. A glass. So is a glass living or non-living? Non-living. The glass is non-living. Pat, does this glass move? Does it move? No, it's non-living. So do we mark with a circle or an X? What is it? X. That's right. We mark it with an X. Very good. Non-living. We mark our glass with an X. Yeah, because it's a non-living thing. Ready for the next one? Who is this? Close. There you go. Father. Look here at this image. Today we're going to use this picture for father. Does anybody remember the nickname for father? Dad. Dad. It's good. Let me hear you say dad. 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 Yeah. So dad is a nickname for father. They mean the same. Everybody will draw me a picture of Dad. Good job. Yeah, draw me a dad. I'll draw Dad up here. Just a little stick figure, nothing too fancy. Dad. We can see Dad in the kitchen. He's probably cooking food for us. So is father or dad living or non-living?
Living. Not living.
Living. Yeah, Dad is living. Living.
Mother living.
Living. Great. So do we mark with a circle or an X?
Soccer.
A circle. That's right, we mark it with a circle. Dad is living. Very good. So now we have mother or mom
Father.
and father or dad, both in the kitchen. We go, so circle for Dad because he's a living thing. Hang in there, we're almost done. Look at this picture. That's right, yeah. So this picture is a cake.
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 Very good. Don't forget that K sound. Cake.
Cake.
Very good. Yummy. Cake. That looks like strawberry cake too. So let's draw a cake together.
Yes. Cake.
I'm drawing a birthday cake, mostly because that's all I know how to draw. Cake. Cake. I made mine a birthday cake, but you don't have to. Draw whichever cake. That's great. Very good. Cake. Yes, there's a cake, living or non-living?
Living. Non-living.
Non-living. Non-living. So do we mark it with a circle or an X? An X. That's right. We mark it with an X because it's non-living. Cake. Very good. Cake. Cake. Non-living. We mark cake with an X because it is non-living thing. What about this image?
Living.
Look at this picture. In English, we call this a plate. Plate. Let me hear you say plate. 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 We eat off of a plate, right? Yeah, it's a plate. We put food on it and we eat. Plates. Very good. Yeah, so everybody, let's draw a plate. It's good. It's good. Draw a plate. That's my plate. Good. Very nice. Plates. Ooh, I like how you guys drew the flower on it as well. Great. So is a plate a living or a non-living thing? Non-living. That's right. So do we mark it with a circle or with an X? An X. That's right. So let's put an X on our plate. We mark plate with an X because it's a non-living thing. But look at our next picture. Does anybody know what we call this picture in English? Fridge. Let me hear you say fridge. 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 There you go. Fridge. Usually we have a fridge in the kitchen to keep things cool. So let's draw a fridge together. This one's got its door open. A fridge. Yeah, so once we've got a fridge on our paper, is a fridge living or non-living? Non-living, that's right, it's a non-living thing, the fridge. So do we mark it with a circle or an X? An X, because it's a non-living thing. Very good. So we put a big X for non-living thing. We mark our fridge with an X because it's a non-living thing. What about this? Can everybody say rice?
Rice.
Rice. Rice. Rice. Rice. Yeah, rice. There you go. It's R. Rice. Very good. Everybody draw rice with me. Very good. Yeah, let's draw a bowl of rice together. Put some chopsticks in there. Rice. Good. Now that we've got a bowl of rice drawn, rice is living or non-living? It's a non-living thing, that's right. So do we mark it with a circle or an X? An X. That's right, we mark it with an X. It's a non-living thing. Very good, because it's a non-living thing. Look at our next picture. Boy. That's a boy. 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 So let's draw a little boy. And some shorts and a shirt here. Boy. We can have a boy in the kitchen. Definitely, yes. He can help us cook. Very good. He'll help cook and clean in the kitchen. So is a boy a living or a non-living thing? Is a boy a living thing? Living. Boy. Pat's a boy. He's a boy. Yeah. Pat's a boy. Who's a boy in your class? Raise your hand if you're a boy. Yeah. Lekao, you're not a boy. Pew, you're a boy. Say, I'm a boy. Are you a living thing? Yes. Yes, you absolutely are. Yeah. Boy is a living thing. So do we mark it with a circle or an X? A circle, that's right. So put a circle around your boy for me. Very good. We mark a boy with circle because he's a living thing. That's the end of that activity. We're going to take a minute now for everyone to clear the board or collect your sheets of paper. Thanks for drawing with us, and we'll see you in just a second. Okay, yeah. Clean your boards for me, please. Wipe clean our boards. Good. Now clean. Clean. Okay, great. Now that we've got our stuff put away, our last activity for this lesson, I'm going to need everybody to stand up. If you remember from last lesson, we're going to do together a little rhyme about living things. So let me hear you say, it is living.
It is living.
I know why.
I know why.
It eats.
It eats.
It moves.
It moves.
It grows.
It grows.
It's alive.
It's alive.
Very good. It is living.
It is living.
I know why.
I know why.
It eats.
It eats.
It moves.
It moves.
It grows.
It grows.
It's alive.
It's alive.
It is living.
It is living.
I know why.
I know why.
It eats.
It eats.
It moves.
It moves.
It grows. It's alive.
It's alive.
Great. One more time. It is living.
It is living.
I know why.
I know why.
It eats.
It eats.
It moves.
It moves.
It grows. It's alive.
It's alive.
Great job, everybody. Okay, have a seat. That was our last activity. Thank you so much for joining us for this lesson, talking about living and non-living things in the kitchen. Can everybody say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.